Hello everybody. I hope you all are doing really very good. Yes, this is the only way where we could interact with each other depending on technology, right? Okay, before starting with my talk, let me first introduce myself. I'm Saujanya, principal of the Masterminds Matechal branch. So here I took an opportunity to talk very little about how we are going with our academic sessions. This situation was never before, and we never imagined about this kind of pandemic time. Okay, where the most affected area is education. Okay, the department which got mostly affected is educational department, and where today's children are tomorrow's citizens, that depart is affected now. But we, the Mastermindians team, the whole team is working day and night to give the best to our students. Like we have launched an app very recently, not recently exactly, a month ago. We launched an app where we add many teaching videos right from KG to class 10 for all the subjects. It is not just the teaching videos, but also we are going live, not only from our branches but also from head office. Really we all are thankful to our head office team. Just because of their help, we could run our organizations, we could help out our students in the best way. Like we are teachers from our branch. We are going with live sessions every day on Zoom. You parents are all pretty aware about it. And not just the classes from our branch, but also we are adding many teaching videos and live sessions into our app, which is being dealt by subject experts. Let me not miss out sharing this with you all, dear parents. Our chairman, who is so busy, who will be always busy with many things to think of, is also into teaching now. He is taking classes from class 6 to class 10 math, and very shortly we are going to start with IIT and NEET teaching videos also. You all well know about IIT and NEET classes, how we take them at our branches. Now that is not possible taking physical classes here at school. So initially we started with normal regular academics, and now very shortly we are going to launch our IIT and NEET classes. Okay, very happy to announce that. And not just teaching, evaluation is also being done. We are testing our students on weekly basis. War examinations, our parents very well know what are war examinations, weekly assessments. So we are conducting tests to our students, and many thanks to parents also who are supporting us. Like they are taking printouts of question papers, they are helping out their students in live sessions, sitting beside them, monitoring them, guiding them, encouraging them. Yes, and during examinations providing them with printed question papers. Of course, even those parents who come to our branch, we are providing them with printed question papers. But there are few students who went out of our state, so such students are taking printouts of question papers, and you don't believe, we are getting papers from different states. They courier their answer sheets to us, and we are correcting them and giving them marks. Okay, not only that, like the last week we conducted formative assessment 1. Papers are being corrected, and very soon, maybe after this Dasara vacation, we are planning out for PTM. Online PTM is already conducted on Zoom. So this would be PTM personal interaction with parents. Like we will be calling out 10 parents every day or 15 parents every day, allotting them some time, and we wanted to know more from our parents about this. And you all know that Masterminds provides holistic education, not just academics, but also we give equal importance to art and craft and many other activities. So such such activities are also being conducted online. We give some tasks to students, they complete those tasks and post their videos to us, and those videos will be again posted on our Facebook pages. Okay, so we are not missing our students are also not missing our teaching and our teachers. We are interacting with them every day with at least 3 to 4 classes. Every day we are meeting them on phone. We talk with each other, we ask questions, they answer our questions. And let me share my experience in taking live sessions on YouTube. Like we are going live on YouTube as already explained to you all, and really very happy that good number of students are joining with us on live sessions on YouTube, and they are answering to our questions on live chat, and so much of curiosity, so much of interest in learning is evident. Not only that, now parents, third eye program of our Masterminds. Yes, third eye program we conducted of course the last year, but now parents also got to know what our teachers are, how we train our students not only in academics but also in communicative and writing skills. Okay, so that's all about our sessions during this pandemic situation. By God's grace, I want these schools to reopen very shortly. No problem, even if the schools are shut for many more days. We are well prepared with all the technology to be used to meet our students online. So that's all. That is all about my view about Masterminds teaching ability. Yeah, that's all. Have a great day, and we would be very happy to see good number of students adding on and on to our live sessions. Thank you very much.